I'm absolutely speechless right now. I never thought I'd see a $300 super chat. Easy. Thank you. Thank you. The kids are going to greatly appreciate all of your guys' donations here. Once again, I can't stress it enough. You guys are phenomenal. I love the VV Nation, the community that we built. Thank you. My name is Patrick France, senior instructor here at VectorVest. Glad to be with you all. Hopefully everyone is doing well. We've had such an amazing event so far, raising money for both Levine's Children's Hospital, also Toys for Tots. Trading for Charity is an event that we're doing to raise money and awareness for, once again, both Levine's Children's Hospital, also Toys for Tots, and at the same time helping you guys learn how to manage your portfolio, teaching you guys some discipline techniques on how to improve your own trading and your own investing. I have got the company credit card, and now it's about time to go spend some of that money that we've been raising for Trading for Charity to buy some toys for the kids. We're gonna head over to our local GameStop and see what they have in store. So get ready for a fun time with Glenn and I. Let's go.
All right, everybody, this is Patrick and Glenn. We're here to take the money that you've donated to the cause that Patrick started, called the Trading for Charity. He's done a great job in the live streams. You guys have come out in droves and either subscribed to the channel or have given the super chats, where we have now amassed some money to go over into GameStop. You're gonna get a video of us taking your money and buying toys and buying games for less fortunate children for this Christmas holiday season.
And we finally made it with all the traffic around here. Yeah, cool. Let's go, man.
Let's make it happen.
Let's go see what we can find.
whatever, this is all worth it.
Shopping
You guys
part
can-
one started.
Absolutely.
Thank you for all the support.
Absolutely.
Let's continue to make this a reality.
We
for
still
everybody.
got more time to raise more money to make more trips like this. It's all up to you, folks.